morning, everyone. Today's kitchen chemistry experiment is looking at solution formation. Now, you've already answered the bell ringer on Padlet today as to how does a solution form and is there any criteria for when a solution forms. You also have a study.com video on solution formation as well as a reading. But I'm also going to show you some natural phenomena today, and I want you to look at this phenomena, observe it, and then write me a 1 to 2 paragraph explanation of what you are seeing and how the topics that we're currently studying help explain what you are seeing. So for our first experiment, what we're doing is we have water, and I'm adding food coloring. And I've added a little bit of yellow food coloring. And I'm adding a little bit of blue food coloring. And we're just going to let it go for a minute. Again, what I want you to do is to observe what you're seeing, be very specific about what you are seeing. Oh, and I think I might even have some green. Let's add a little bit of green to it as well. And I'm adding it in different spots. And so as you can see, after a minute or two, this is what the food coloring in the water looks like. Now let's go to our whole milk, and we're going to add, again, drops of our food coloring into our whole milk. We add a little green. A little yellow. And a little blue. And again, we're going to let it pause and we're going to stop the video, and I'm going to come back in a minute and we'll see if there's any difference. So as you can see, after a minute, there's not much difference. Over here, the food coloring spread out, but here it's not. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a Q-tip into the center of the milk and food coloring, and I should have said this was whole milk, so it has a very high fat content. And what I've done is that I have added some soap to the tip of this, and let's see if this makes any difference at all. I'm going to add it over here where I had the blue. And again, what I want you to be able to do is use the materials that I have posted to Google Classroom to explain what happened here. Now let's do the same thing here. Is there any difference? And the answer is no. So by Thursday morning at noon, what I expect is a 1 to 2 paragraph explanation shared with me on Google Docs as to why food coloring, water, milk, and a little bit of soap interact the way it does. Have a great day, everyone. I'll see you on Thursday.